Washer bearings part 4. Now we're ready to remove the drum. You're going to want to go ahead and take your couplers, put them on every other bolt back here, add your rods. Depending on the size of the machine, you're going to need the small plate or the large plate. Rotate it around, find your pattern, put it in place. You're going to want to set it for about the same depth as your bottle jack. Make sure it's pretty square looking down on it. And just put it in place. It's a little tighter on the small machines. Once you have it in, just jack the drum right out of the machine. Now, depending on the conditions of the bearings, you may hear a loud bang as it comes out, or it may push out fairly easily. And go ahead and pull it out till it drops, and carefully tip it forward and drop it on the floor.